Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cornbread fritters. These golden brown bites are a fantastic side dish or snack, offering a delightful crunch outside and a fluffy interior. We'll cover everything from gathering your simple ingredients to achieving that perfect fry. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this classic, comforting treat that's surprisingly easy to prepare. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You'll need 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of cornmeal for the base. For the wet components, prepare 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of whole milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar to balance the flavors. Finally, a 15-ounce can of drained whole corn kernels adds that authentic fritter texture. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time to create the batter. First, whisk together the egg, milk, and melted butter until well combined. Then slowly incorporate the flour, cornmeal, baking soda, salt, and sugar, mixing until just smooth. Gently fold in your drained corn kernels. For frying, heat about 3 cups of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop spoonfuls of batter into the hot oil, cooking 3 or 4 at a time for 2 to 3 minutes per side, until golden brown. After frying, remove your golden brown fritters and place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil, ensuring they stay wonderfully crispy. These versatile treats can be enjoyed in many ways. For a sweet touch, drizzle them with honey or maple syrup. If you prefer savory, a zesty ranch dip or spicy aioli makes a fantastic accompaniment. They also make an excellent side for hearty meals like chili, fried chicken, or any barbecue spread. Enjoy your homemade cornbread fritters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.